Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you a magical skincare remedy for summers. So let's get started with the first ingredient. This is an Ubtan face mask by Mamaearth. It has saffron, turmeric and apricot oil which has skin lightening properties. This pack claims to lighten and brighten skin tone with regular use. So let's see if that works for me. When I open the box, I see this pale colored pack. It comes with a mini spatula which I really like. And now I'm going to take 2 spatulas of this pack. This must be sufficient to cover my whole face, so that's it. And then I'm going to add 1 spoon of lemon juice and 2-3 pinches of green tea. And here I'm using a small spoon of honey also to give more moisture to my skin. Now stir the mixture properly, and this should be the consistency. This is a little flowing consistency, so it's better to keep it like this. Now I have washed my face with a face wash and pat it dry, and now let's start the application process. So I'm using a flat face brush to apply it in small strokes all over my face. The pack that I'm using here is pure organic, that is, it is free from any kind of chemicals, and it also removes suntan, hence is effective for summers. I have used lemon and green tea also, which will work on the hyperpigmentation areas and will lighten your skin tone by removing dead skin cells. Honey moisturizes your skin properly, so I used a little bit of that too. But if you have less time, you can only use this pack or mix it with a little bit of rose water to make the consistency a little thinner and apply it all over your face. It itself will give you amazing results. Mamaearth is plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use, which I really appreciate about this brand. And the key ingredients of this pack, that is saffron, turmeric and apricot oil, are proven to work wonders for your skin. Now when the application is done, let it dry for 20 to 30 minutes, and when it dries completely, check it out if it's not sticking to your finger. And now it's time to wash your face with lukewarm water. And then after washing your face, gently dab with towel to dry it out, and use a good quality moisturizer to maintain the hydration of your face. And I can feel that my skin is feeling really soft, and it has even lightened my dark spots in single use. So you should definitely give this remedy a try, and I hope it works for you also like it worked for me. And all the details of the products are in the description bar below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.